Hello and welcome to part 4 of the official sample paper practice for the Sdit certification exam. In part 4, we will cover the remaining 5 questions, which are number 31 to 35 in the official practice paper. Let's begin with question number 31. Which is the best description of sustainable development? A. Global efforts to ensure that the needs of both the present and future generations are met. B, an approach which covers social, environmental, and economic goals. C, a set of organizational responsibilities towards people and the environment. Or D, an approach for an organization to calculate, report, and optimize its carbon emissions. You would have to recollect the description or the definition of sustainable development. When I take a look at the 4 options, to me, A and B appear to be somewhat connected rather than C or D. So let's look at those A and B closely. Option A, global efforts to ensure that the needs of both the present and future generations are met. This is an important phrase here, or an important statement. In fact, sustainable development is the set of processes, initiatives, and pathways to achieve sustainability at the global level. It's possible that A is the correct answer. Option B, an approach which covers social, environmental, and economic goals. This is the triple bottom line rather than sustainable development. So B will be incorrect. Option C, a set of organizational responsibilities towards people and the environment. This is corporate social responsibility, or CSR. In fact, CSR includes how organizations operate in a sustainable way, how they behave towards employees and customers, how they select partners and suppliers, and it's also about the impact of their activities on the environment and the communities. So C is also incorrect. Option D, this is a way of managing an organization's digital carbon footprint because it's about calculating, reporting, and optimizing its carbon emissions. Therefore, the correct answer here would be option A. Look at number 32. Which example of sustainability culture is associated with the social pillar? We have the 3 pillars: social, environmental, and economic. Option A, the organization develops a fair, safe workspace across the organization. B, the organization invests in its intellectual and human capital. C, the organization invests in reforestation and renewable energy resources and sources. And D, the organization encourages its partners to contribute to the environmental goals. Question is related to the social pillar rather than environmental or economic. Option A is connected with safe and fair workspace across the organization, which means in this organization, the members treat each other with respect. This is developing a fair culture as well and a safety culture. And this is definitely associated with the social pillar. Let's look at the other options meanwhile. Option B, investing in intellectual and human capital, is connected with the economic pillar. Option C, investing in reforestation and renewable energy sources, is also economic pillar. Option D, encouraging partners to contribute to the environmental goals. This is the environmental pillar. There are clues in options B, C, and D. In option B and C, there are clues about investments, economic, that is, and option D is about environment. The word environment is appearing there. So the correct answer would be option A.